Hey guys, Miss Dani from the Pleasant Hills Public Library, and I'm here with you today to walk you through making your very own glow potion jar using the supplies provided in our Teen Make and Take kit. In your kit, you get a glass jar that comes with a cork lid, a piece of twine, a label, a craft plunge, a submersible LED light, and a packet of water beads. Yours are going to come in a different container and you'll get lots of different colors, but I wanted to show you just how small they are when they start. First thing you're going to want to do is put your water beads in water and leave them alone overnight. They'll go from being that size to this size. Once they've grown to their full size, it's time to take them out of the water. If you had a strainer, you could do it that way, but I'm going to just use a slotted spoon to remove them from the water into another bowl. I recommend touching them. They're kind of weird, they're a little slimy, they're jiggly, and the transparent ones are just wild. Once your water beads are out of the water and you're done squishing them, it's time to get your craft plunger. Pull it on out and fill it full of water beads. Should be able to fit anywhere from 2 to 4 in there. They're going to break up when they go in, and that's okay. We want them to. Once it's full, plunge it into your jar. You really have to push. Ugh. And repeat until your jar is full. When you're filling your jar, you can do all the colors mixed together, do a gradient, or focus on one color. It's up to you. But once it's full, it's time to do the next step. Find your submersible light and unscrew it. Inside, there's going to be a piece of paper covering the batteries. That allows it to not die on its way to you. Once you have that off, twist it back together like so. And ta-da, the light comes on. You're going to stick it in upside down. Take your lid and push it down as well as you can. If you'd like to come up with a label for your potion, you can, but it's not necessary. Put it on your string, tie it around, and voila, you have a glowing potion. To turn your light off, you simply open up the jar, remove the light, it does get a little slimy, and untwist. You can put it back in until you're ready to use it again.